Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be going over one of the biggest issues GO Transit has and how we can improve access to GO stations. GO Transit owns over 60,000 parking spaces, making it one of the largest parking operators in North America. Except for a few reserved spaces, these are all free. Bloomington GO Station, which opened in the summer of 2021, has a massive multi-level building exclusively for parking, although there are a few indoor bus bays at the bottom. Outside of the parking garage is more than 200 surface parking spaces. Currently, there are bike lanes connecting the station to Bloomington Road, the street where the station is located, but Bloomington Road is essentially a highway with no bike lanes or sidewalks. York Region Transit also doesn't serve the bus terminal. This means that driving is the only way to get to and from the station. Similarly, GO recently opened a new parking lot at its Rutherford station on the Barrie Line. This station is served by 3 different York Region Transit routes which operate every 20 to 40 minutes, but not all of them operate all day. With all-day service coming to the Barrie Line, this will force many to drive. Now, of course, providing services such as car and bike parking aren't bad, but there are some issues that arise in the way GO does this. When presented with the choice of paying an additional fare on local transit, as well as waiting 15 minutes for a bus, and driving to the train for no additional cost, many will choose to drive. So how can we fix this? First off, all new GO stations should only have a maximum of about 200 parking spaces, charging about $4 for shorter stays and about $10 for parking longer than 24 hours would be more than fair and actually cheaper than Toronto street parking. Not only does charging for parking give GO Transit more money to expand service, but it also removes the financial benefit of driving. Adding safer, active transportation options surrounding stations and using money from paid parking to have frequent bus service at all stations would mean people are no longer forced to drive, which would also justify parking fees. In the long term, I would actually propose tearing down most of the parkades and replacing them with businesses and homes. Profits from rents and sales of the buildings would give GO Transit more money to expand service and add to the amount of people using the stations. I hope that GO Transit will do more to encourage the use of local public and active transit. In the areas where easy and safe access to transit and bike routes is not available, I hope that Metrolinx as a provincial agency will work with local governments to improve access. This way, GO will help to take people out of their cars into public transit. Thanks for watching.